Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add music to Google Videos. As you can see, I have this video right here.
And that brings us to the central
and I want to add a music to it. I have two options. The first option is to pick a stock music from here. So click on this stock icon and search through the music. Click on the music section right here. Then scroll down and pick the music that you like. And then click on this plus icon which says insert audio. Now you can move it whenever you like. And as you can see when I play it right now,
and that brings us to the central theme.
The music is right there, but it is too loud. So click on it to select it. Then click on this sound option and then decrease the volume right here. Now you can play it again.
Theme of today's discussion.
And that's more like it. The second option is to have a music from your computer. So I will delete this audio right now. So to have a music from your computer, you will have to have it in the folder like this. So this is the music that we are going to use. Just drag and drop it right here under your clip. And it should be there, just move it like so. And also manage the sound option, so decrease the sound. And right now,
finding that balance between aesthetics and pure functionality.
It is there. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.